what's up? It's Zach with Botron. Today I'm going to show you how to update firmware on a Sentinel. First, we're going to ensure the Sentinel is connected to the computer using the USB-A to USB Mini B cable. We're also going to have our power cable ready, and we're also going to need to have the other hand next to the button right underneath the USB cable. I'm going to push this button in and plug the cable in, and it's going to ask me to hold and release this button many times. And now, as you can see, it is in DFU mode. Now we're going to go over to the computer. We're going to need this PIC32 UBL application to update the firmware on the Sentinel. This file can be found under Program Files x86, under the Install Directory and Firmware Tool v2 folder of an EDS installation. This is also assuming that EDS is installed on this device. If you run EDS on a server, and you need to update the Sentinel, you'll have to move this file to another device that can be plugged in directly to the Sentinel via USB. I'm going to go ahead and run this application as administrator. And once opened, I'm going to check the Enable checkbox for USB, and we're going to go and click Connect. As you can see, the device is connected, and the bootloader firmware version is 1.0 for this device. We're going to go ahead and click Load Hex File, and we're going to navigate to the place where the Sentinel firmware is located. After double-clicking this file, I'm going to click Erase Program Verify, which is going to start the wipe process. As you can see, the programming has completed and the device has disconnected from the software. The Sentinel will now automatically reboot and be ready for operation. I hope this helped answer some of your questions. Thank you for joining me.